हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये एक बहुत ही दूसरा एंगल है जो आपने कभी देखा नहीं है। यूजुअली यू ऑल सी मी इन अ कार विद अ POV, like with a selfie POV saying hi to you all. This is my very first sit down video. I'm super nervous. I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know how long it's going to be. But I am hoping this one turns out well so I can do more of this. But the reason I'm doing this video is because I thought कि ये दिन मेरे like it's never gonna happen with me, but it's finally here. ये दिन आ गया है where I get to lift this massive bag of PR and say I've got stuff from Nykaa. Their hot pink sale is going to be going live very soon, so they've sent me a bunch of stuff to try out and share with you guys. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. A lot of things I haven't tried before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like mini reviews on shorts of those and few mini reviews in this video as well. नहीं तो ये video बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. So let's unbox. Let me pull out things one by one. Although I've seen the stuff before because I could not contain my excitement कि यार मुझे मिला है ये. So I'm so like happy about it. But yeah, I'm going to share everything that's in this bag. Also, I'm going to be leaving the links of everything in the description. So if you guys would like to pick something out, go check the description out for the links. So let's begin. And first of all, thanks for this bag, Nykaa. Very nice and sturdy bag. इसमें बहुत सारा सामान fit होता है as I can see and as you guys will see. तो ये बैग अभी आगे जाके बाजारिंग के लिए यूज होगा. So we have a little pamphlet here that talks about the sale. Then we have the first thing here. It is the Bella Vita Gourmet Collection gift set. It's a pack of 3 perfumes. So ये मैंने already कल खोल दिया था because I wanted to see what fragrances are there inside it. So we have vanilla, mango and pistachio. And we sprayed the mango one yesterday and it is quite mango-licious. Super sweet. So if you know someone who likes gourmand and sweet fragrances, this would make for a great gift set. Also, it lasts very long. So you guys can definitely check that out. Next up, we have Love Earth's Lip Crayon Non-Transfer Lipstick Matte Finish. We have this set of 5 lipsticks. So I haven't, as you guys can see, it's a pack piece. I haven't yet opened it. Maybe I'll do a shorts on this, so that's when you'll see the unboxing. So we have like 5 shades. There is a Samarina Brown, Prunus, Coffee Rose, Butterfly Bush and Juniper. And as I can see over here from the swatches, these are like very nudish on the brown mauve shade range. So I'm very excited to try that out because that's generally what I wear. So super excited for these ones. Next up, we have the Nykaa Naturals Onion and Fenugreek Shampoo. Never tried this before, so going to let you guys know how this one goes. As you all know, कि मेरे बाल बहुत लंबे हैं, and I generally do tend to share a lot of hair recommendations because a lot of you all want that from me. That I share on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you can go follow me and check it out. I'll also leave all the links to all my other hair products that I use down in the description below, so you all can pick out my favorites. So excited to try this one out. Then we have something that I use on a daily basis but not from this brand. Again, anything else that is not like that I don't show in this video and stuff that I use, I'm going to put it down below so you guys can check it out. We have Quench ka 96% snail mucin. I love snail mucin. Actually, I am an avid user. Vidhu does not like that. He's like, ये क्या use कर रही है? Okay, so let me like ASMR you guys के लिए कर लेती हूँ थोड़ा. Failing at it clearly. This is not my forte. So let's just check the texture out of this one. Generally, it has that very stringy texture. Oh yes, this one also has that stringy texture. So excited to use this. Snail mucin is actually great. A lot of people might not agree with me, but it really did work for my skin. I use one from Cosrx. I'm going to link it below. And it really did help heal my skin. So I absolutely love snail mucin. So I'm excited to try this one out. Let me see how much this one's priced at. Oh, this is for $5.49. So the Cosrx one is for $14.50 and this is for $5.49. So if this works well, then I'm probably going to switch because we love cheaper alternatives. Then we have something here from House of Makeup. This is again something I've not tried before. It's called Hot Glossip, which is their non-sticky gloss. Everything is packed, guys. I don't know if I should even open everything on camera or no, because otherwise it's going to take me forever. So I'm feeling. Then we have something from one of my favorite brands. It's K Beauty's lip liner. I already have one lip liner from them, but it's not this shade. I think I have a brown shade. This is a more pink shade, so appreciate that. Let me use. I like this packaging a lot. So let's just swatch it. See, I'm new to this, guys, so thoda let's be a little considerate. But this is a very pretty pink shade. I have a lipstick in this shade, so it will go really well with that. But I love K Beauty products. I have the Hydra Creme lipsticks, which are amazing. In fact, I'm wearing one of that and I absolutely love it. Next, we have LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is their concealer. I think this is going to be more of a color correcting shade for me because it's a bit on the orange dark brown side. I think this is a color corrector. Yeah, this is a color corrector. And I have a very dark under eyes. This is going to be great for me. And I'm very excited to use this. Heard a lot of good stuff about this one, especially even the green color corrector. So if this one works well for me, I'm going to go get the green one next. Then we have something from Plix, another brand I've not tried before. We have Watermelon Protect and Hydrate 2-in-1 formula, moisturizer plus sunscreen. So ये विदुर ने देखा था कल डब्बा and he's like, this is mine, I'm going to take this because we're traveling very soon and he wanted a sunscreen, so I think this came in at the perfect time for him. Next we have something from Estura. It's the Atto Barrier 365. It's a moisturizer and moisturizers are always welcome, so I'm super excited to use this one. Let's see how the texture of this one is, because everything is like got so much packaging. This is one thing I do not like about sit down videos where you have to sit and literally open everything on camera. Okay. It's not got any fragrance, so that's good. And it does not feel sticky, so I like that. I hate sticky moisturizers and sunscreens. It just makes me feel like ugh. But this feels pretty good so far. So next we have a Streaks Serum Shine Hair Mask. Again, something very useful that I am excited to try out. I've heard a lot about this brand. I have a serum from Streaks that my mother-in-law uses and she really likes it. So it smells good too. So very excited to try this one out. I'm probably going to give this to her so she can pair the serum and this. I mean, she can use this and then use the serum, so it works well for her. Next up, we have something that I have seen so many videos of. It's the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Facial Sheet Mask. I think it's that mask that goes once you apply it, it goes transparent and sort of gets hard on your face. I don't know if it's that, but yeah, it says you have to leave it for 3 hours, so I'm guessing it is that. So I'm very excited to try this one out and see how it fares on my skin. Then we have something from Charmisi Milano. We have their Pa Lash Mascara, and this has a primer and a volumizer and something to seal. I don't know, that's like a whole shebang. So very excited to try this out as well, because I have never seen something like this, like primer and wow, opening it wrong. Okay, so I guess this is the, oh my god, this has got fibers. This is very different. I have never seen anything like this. This is like a volumizing thing. Oh, so I think I'm supposed to put this mascara on. I should clearly read the box because I'm just like throwing everything away because I'm so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Sab khol ke dekh rahi hu bas. False Lash Effect 5x volume and strength lash. Oh, so there are fibers in this. I was right. So there are fibers. So you have to use the mascara end, the normal one, to first time. Then you apply the volumizing fibers to increase the volume, and of course, and then you seal it again with the other end. So this is something really fancy. I have never tried a two-step mascara before, so going to try that out very soon. And now we're on the last 3 products. Next up we have this shampoo. Jiska naam I pronounce nahi kar sakti hu and I do not want to butcher it, but I love the packaging of it. It's the Hydra Rev shampoo and Hydra Revive shampoo, sorry, and it's got deep hydration and a nourishing formula with argan oil. And I do have very dry hair now over time because of the straightening and everything. My hair's gone pretty dry, so I'm gonna try this out, let you guys know how it goes. Then we have something from Love Child Masaba, the paparazzi proof hyperlumin. Oh, stroke cream. Ooh, great packaging, guys. It's like in a triangular shape. I don't know if you can see. This is so cool. Dazzle Drip. Ooh, let's get some of it. I love how well this time this package is. I'm going on a holiday very soon and I'm gonna carry so much stuff. And oh, this is really nice. I don't know यार ये कैसे करते हैं ये लोग swatch. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't know if you guys can see the shine or no, but it's quite luminous and it's not like very chunky glitter, so that's great. It will do really well under foundations. And I know this even though I'm not like a makeup girly. That's because I did use a strobe cream and I loved it so much so that I used to use it as a primer only almost. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Helps, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, so that's gonna be great like moisturization as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try one last time. This is the swatch of the lipstick, but yeah, here that's how it is. And something that we all loved at home yesterday was this cute little travel pack from Aqualogica. I have been meaning to try this. A lot of people say like this is a dupe of Sol de Janeiro. I don't know because I have not smelled Sol de Janeiro, but it's got a very strong vanilla fragrance. It's called Sunkissed Vanilla. We have the mist, we have the gel moisturizer, and there's a shower gel. And this is again right in time for our travel, something that's going to go right in my bag. So yeah, I'm super excited to use everything that I've received. Thank you so much, Nykaa, for sending this in. Just a little bit of an outro, guys. Everything that I've showed you all in the video, I'm going to link it down below. So if there's anything that catches your eye, you can go pick it out. I'm also going to leave a link to my Nykaa store niche. So it's got all my favorite products, and trust me, like you guys might feel like it's an overwhelming bit of products, but it's the stuff that I use on a daily basis and stuff I swear by. So if there's anything you guys like basically what's on my face right now and things like that, everything is on that store, so you guys can go check it out and pick some stuff out for yourself when the sale goes live. There are crazy offers during the Nykaa sales, and I know that because I tend to buy most of my stuff during the sales only. I stock up on everything, all the expensive stuff, hair tools, lipstick, skincare, whatever you want. मैंने तो mouthwash भी लिया है Nykaa से. Now I know this is a bit embarrassing and TMI, but I have done that. That's because you get great discounts. So if you guys want to purchase anything, add everything to your cart and keep it ready because the sale is going to be live very soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like to see more such videos, and I would love to do them for you guys. And I hope you like the setup, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.